stuff, you're gonna want to use 85 Diamond Cut 2.0. It works very well and it's cheap. You can get this whole thing for like $40 on Amazon, and you can go ahead and put it in a little bottle, anything, whatever you want to do. So I got my homie over here helping me out. He's gonna go ahead and use that buffer, and I'm gonna use this one. There he is. What you got to say to the viewers? All right, nothing, whatever. Anyways, so yeah, there's the Ford, as y'all see, and y'all remember how it was. All right, so y'all see that orange peel, y'all see that trash. So apparently, it looks like the truck has been repainted all around, and it looks like they did not detail it. They just give it a quick paint just to sell. Look at all that trash. Alright, so let me go ahead and get to it so y'all can see. There's always gonna be a floss everywhere. I invited my homeboy to come help me sand, and he was spraying with thinner. So look what happened, guys. So every time y'all water sand it, make sure it's water and not thinner. Always smell the bottle. That's a quick tip right there, guys. But once y'all have it pretty much fully sanded like that, smooth, what you want to go, my glasses keep falling, but what you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and buff it. Let me go get the materials so y'all can see what I'm talking about.
About it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
There you go, guys. That's a quick DIY. That's how you want to buff your vehicle. Just like that, if it has trash, orange peel, or scratches. Thanks for watching. Till next time, peace.